this is your twin flame reading, and let's find out what is the situation with you and your divine masculine. If you have seen this message, it's possible that you are dealing with a twin flame relationship, but if not, it's okay kasi you can take this as a love reading lang. And most of us kasi ay wala namang twin flames. So, swerte yung mga meron. Most of the twin flames have age gap like 5 to 10 years. Pero you really have to check this in Google, no, kung tambang ganun kalayo. Kasi based on my readings, sa mga research ko, yun ang lumalabas. So, tignan natin yung energy nyo dalawa. Okay, make the effort. Oh, this could be the one. So, parang nagda-doubt ka na dito sa connection yung dalawa. Kasi parang ang gusto mo mangyari dito is mag-effort siya, pero hindi mo nakikita yung changes, walang pagbabago, parang paulit-ulit na lang. Okay. So, past life relationship, you are dealing with your twin flame, and aware na siya sa connection yung dalawa. Kaya lang, hindi talaga siya makakagawa ng move sa'yo. Kasi, parang meron din siyang commitment sa iba. Kaya, hindi niya pa may bibigay yung gusto mong commitment. And meron siyang responsibilities na mabigat. So, yun yung i-weigh niya dito. Kung paano kanya bibigyan ng panahon, ng oras. Kasi, I think this person is serious. So, si Divine Masculine is seryoso naman sa'yo. And, he wants to have the future with you. And at the same time, he wants to express his love. Pero, ang pinaka magiging problema mo dito is yung commitment niya sa iba. Which is, I think, sa trabaho, sa family. Baka kasi you are dealing with someone na may anak na din. Or you are dealing with someone na hiwalay sa asawa niya. So, as a divine feminine, na nanonood ng readings na to, kasi ikaw yung awakened, ikaw yung naniniwala sa ganito, ikaw yung makulit sa relasyon yung dalawa. So, as a feminine, you really have to invest a lot of times na pag-isipan mo muna. Kasi, sa ngayon, hindi mo talaga siya pwedeng madaliin. And, this is like very soon, magugulat ka na lang na may changes sa connection yung dalawa. And so far kasi, pinag-aaralan niya rin kung paano niya ipepresent sa'yo itong offer na to. Bilang Divine Masculine, gusto niya kasi perfect. Perfect lahat, as in. So, you will have to receive lang as a Divine Feminine. Pero kung hindi pa talaga time for ascension, huwag nating pilitin. Kasi we really have to work on ourselves. Kagaya ng mga sinasabi sa ibang videos na kailangan nakafocus ka sa sarili mo. Kung gusto mo talagang bumalik si Twin Flame, sabi nga nila, kailangan self-love talaga. Yun, self-love is the key in Twin Flame journey para makuha mo yung Twin Flame reunion.